Now you see, I will be going to first ask ChatGPT to give me the formula to get the date 1st January 2005. So I pass this question to ChatGPT. So it has given me the Power Query formula that this is 2005 1 and this will be converted into the date. So I just copy this and I will go to this Power Query editor and here I will be going to click on new source and I will be going to take the blank query. So under this blank query I will be going to paste this formula. So here I just paste this formula. If you see, so you see this is the formula which I have pasted and you see I get this date which is 1/1/2005. What I will do, I will convert this particular result into a table format. So if I click on this to table, a column is created and this is the value, and I will change the data type to date data type and here I will call it as start date. So this is what I will be going to write. So you see one column is created which is start date column. Now you see in the second formula what I will be going to ask is I want end date 31st December 2008. Give me the formula for the date 31st December 2008 and I click send message. So it has again given me this formula. I copied it and you see this time I will again go to Power Query editor and I will go to add column and I will be going to create the custom column this time, and this will be the end date and I will be going to paste this particular formula. So there is no syntax error and I hit OK. So you see 31st December 2008 is created and I will change the data type to date. So you see now I have start date and end date available. I want to create the range of data or the list of data from 1st January 2005 to 31st December 2008. So here I have already written that I have start date 1st January 2005 and end date is this. The start date has value this and the end date value is this. I want to create list of each date from start date to end date including both the dates. So I should write like this: start date column has this date and end date column has this date. Okay, so I just copy this now and this text I will be going to paste. Let me verify start date and end date. So these are the column names. So based on the column names I am actually generating the script. So I just pass this full code here and send it to ChatGPT. So it has given me some code. So I will write, give me simplified code as I want to create custom column. So I write like this and you see it has given me a simplified code now having a start date and what is the duration in number of days, end days minus start date plus 1. So this is the actually total duration. Start from here and this is the total duration and increment by, and the duration is 0, 0, 0. So it means it will increment by 1 day. If you need to know more explanation of this code, so you can write explain me the above code. So it will be going to give you some explanation also. So it is telling what is the meaning of duration end date minus start date. So this part calculate the number of days between the start date and the end date, and the duration, this means the duration between each consecutive date in the list. This formula seems correct to me. I copy this formula and I will be going to create a custom column here and I will be going to paste this particular formula and here I will be going to call it as date column and I will be going to hit OK. So here the list is created. I will click on expand button. So expand to a new rows. So here you see this list is created which has the value 1st January 2005, and let me just change the data type here, so it is the of date type, and you see this is created like this. So this data is till 2008 and it has every day data. Okay, so that's fine. So what I can do, I don't need these two now columns. So I right click on both the columns and remove those columns. So this date column I require only. Now what I can do, I can create more things, like if you want to create the year, so select this, go to date column and you can generate the year. So this is the year you have created. Similarly, if you want to create the month, here you see you can create the month. So it is a month number actually, but if you want to create the month name, go to date column, go to month, and you can also give the name of the month, which is January, February, March. So you don't want this January complete, you want just Jan. So what you can do, or Feb, or MAR, March. Okay, so first three characters are sufficient. So for that, what you can do, you can go to the transform option, and there is a extract option, and under extract option you can choose first characters. So you can just use first three characters here, so you get Jan and Feb and March. So that's fine. And I also want one more column. Here you see my date is 2005 0101. But if you look at the data of this order date key, if I do like select star from this table, and if I execute it, my data is like this: 2005 0701, 2005 0702, like this. Now, if you want to get year-wise sales, or quarter-wise sales, or month-wise sales, so what you have to do, you have to join this date table which I am creating with this order date key, because only then you can find out what is the total sales for a particular year. So because these are the sales amount here, so if you want to know the total or quarter wise sales or month wise sales, if you want to know, then you have to join this order date key with this date table. But for joining this, I want one date key column which is of the same format as order date key, because right now my date is like this. For example, I have a date like 1st July 2005, then you have 2nd July 2005. So this kind of date cannot be joined with this order date key, so it is not possible. So what I have to do for the join operation, I have to create a new column which is a date key column, and the format should be 2005 0701 and 2005 0702. So like this the format I should have. So I want to convert this date into this kind of format. And also you see this is Indian format date, so all these dates are Indian format. So if you see, if I go to file and options, and under options if I go to again options, and here if you see the regional setting, it is English India. So right now I have selected English India, so you may get English US or Europe. So now you see I will be going to create a date key column which will be like 2005 0124, 2005 0125, 2005 0126. So this kind of date column I want to generate. So for this I have already written a statement that I have a date column. If you see, this is the date column I have created now, and this date column has dates from this to this, and it includes each day. And now I want to generate a column with YYYYMMDD format, like 2005 0101, 2005 0102, and so on till this. So I just copy this particular code, and you see I pass it to ChatGPT now, So here it has given me this format, and you see what I do, I will copy this format, and you see I will be going to create the custom column now. So I will go to add column, and I will be going to create the custom column. Here I will call it as date key column, and you see I will be going to paste this formula, and you see there is no syntax error. So actually what it is doing, it is extracting the date from the date column, then it is extracting the month from the date column, and extracting the day from the date column. Date dot day, suppose if it gives 1, so 1 will be converted into string, this will be converted into string, and you see it will add 1 0 in the beginning because it is a 1 character, so it will pad 0 in the beginning. Similarly the month, suppose if it is the 7th month, it will give 7, it will pad 0, and overall expression will be converted into string. Similarly ampersand, and it will give the year, which will be in the form of text. So suppose the year is 2005, that will be converted into text, and then everything will be concatenated like 2005 0701. So like this the formula is created. So I hit OK, so it is created. Otherwise you see the explanation, you can ask also, give me the explanation of the formula, it will be going to give you. So you see this date is created now, and I will just convert it into integer data type. It is the whole number 123, so these are all numbers. Everything is green right now, means whatever I have created is correct. There are zero error and 0% empty, every 100% is valid. But sometimes you see you will get green and little bit of red or complete red, it means there are some error into it, so you have to resolve it.